I will teach you how to earn 5 USDT for free. Yeah, I'm going to be teaching you for free. So the name of this platform is called AI mining. Though I've done a video about AI mining before, and in that my last video I didn't talk much about AI mining, but in today's video I'm going to be talking much about AI mining and how to get so much earnings from AI mining. Okay, so what is AI mining? AI mining is a platform which allows you to mine 5 USDT for free, and the miner too is for free. You're not paying for the miner. Okay, so as you can see it right here, I'm going to be showing you my earnings from this, and my miner is still currently on. As you can see it right there, I have 4.4700 USDT is still mining. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to get into this platform. Keep on watching this video, because at the end of this video I'm going to be telling you or gonna show you a shocking news, or gonna tell you shocking thing about this AI mining and how to generate huge revenue from this AI mining. Okay, so my registration link is in the description box. Yeah, my registration link is in the description box. So once you click on my link, it's not gonna bring you up to somewhere like this. It's going to bring you up to a site. Okay, let me just give you guys for example, this is my link. Okay, so let me say this is my link. Also just click on my link. It's gonna bring you up to the registration page or the registration site. Okay, so here's your registration site. So in your first username, if you don't put just one name, for example you want to put Glory, don't just put Glory, they're not gonna accept it. You're gonna put maybe Glory Israel. Okay, so once you put it like this, it's gonna be accepted. Once you don't put Glory, it's not gonna be accepted. Then when you're putting your phone number, don't, maybe your number might be 080, do not put the first 0, just start from 80. So if this have been taken, you get the verification code from your number. If you're not from Nigeria, you signify. Then after that, you put in your password, your first password and your second password. Then after that, you click on register. So after registration, it's gonna bring you up to somewhere like this, but your miner has not started mining, and I'm going to show you how to start mining, how you to activate your miner to start mining right away. Yes, I'm going to show you how to activate your miner. So you're going to follow this image I'm going to be showing you right now in order to activate your miner. The first one says click on this other part where it says where it's showing red. So as you can see it right here, you're gonna click on that button. Then after that, you're gonna check on the second step. As you can see, buy discount price. So once you click on this button, it's gonna bring you up to somewhere like this. Then once you click on it, it's gonna show you up to something like this. And once you click on the activation, your miner have started mining. Yes, your miner have started mining, and you'll be seeing your money, or the money you have made from your miner, right in this site, and the equivalent amount in naira. Okay, so as I said, I'm gonna be, once your miner, your miner you just activated is only valid for 20 days, and after 20 days it's gonna accumulate, or it's gonna give you 5 USDT after 20 days. Okay, so after 20 days this your miner is going to give you 5 USDT. Now if the miner has stopped after 20 days, maybe you want to withdraw the money, or you want to keep on mining, what you just have to do to buy another miner is to come over to this area, it says miner center, and click on buy. Now you're going to choose the miner that you want to buy. As you can see, it says number 1 miner, and number 1 miner just costs 1 USDT. Now you're going to click on this buy discount price. Okay, as you can see, I've purchased the miner successfully. Okay, now I want to activate this miner. As you can see, the miner is not activated. If it is activated, it is going to be showing in this other side. So in this not activated, you're going to click on this activation. So it's going to show insufficient balance, please deposit. Okay, so this particular one is not for you. So in my next video I'm going to be talking about how to buy another advanced miner in my next video. Okay, so as I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a full income stream on this miner. Okay, so do you know that with this miner you can start earning your salary? You're going to start building your team. here with this miner you will start building your team. Your team is in this other section. As you can see, my primary agent I have 0%, secondary agent I have 0%, and tertiary agent you have 0%. With this other section I'm gonna be teaching you in my next video. That's why you have to watch my next video, which is coming up on Saturday, which is tomorrow. So you're gonna watch the video, because in my next video I'm gonna be teaching you how to grow your team and how to start receiving salary monthly from AI mining. Okay, so if this video have been helpful to you or has educated you in any way, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, tell me what you think about this video. Do you have any question? Leave it down there in the comment section, and I'm going to catch you up in my next video tomorrow. Okay, so what do you think about this video? Leave it down in the comment section, and I will catch you up tomorrow.